Hi everyone, here we've got ASUS ZenFone 8 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's go to the top of the list and tap on sounds and vibration. It should be on the 4th position. Now we have to scroll down in order to find the sounds section, and here it is actually the ringtone section. We can change the ringtone for calls, and this is the very first option, but also for the alarms and the notifications. So let me show you how to do it using the phone ringtone. Just tap on it, and because we can insert 2 different SIM cards, the ringtones will be also divided between them. So let me pick, for example, the first SIM card. It doesn't really matter in my case, and as you can see, we've just been transferred to the full list of all available defaultly installed ringtones from which we can choose. What's more, in the right upper corner we've got this plus icon, so after tapping on it we will be transferred to our own files, and if we will have any compatible ones, they will appear right here and you will be able to pick them and set them as a ringtone. But let me get back to the defaultly installed ones, and in order to listen how the particular one sounds, simply tap on it and you will be able to hear it. And if you're happy with your choice, for example, if you'd like to set this music box for your ringtone, all you have to do is simply make sure that the option you'd like to use is marked, like in my case. And now let's get back. And as you can see right under the SIM one, we've got the info that we've just changed the ringtone. Here we've got the name of the ringtone we just chose. And from now on, your device will use it in order to announce you an incoming call. Obviously, it will work the same with alarms and notifications. Here we've got defaultly installed alarms. Here we've got this plus icon. So just tap on it. Oh my god, that's so loud. Let me get back, and all you have to do is simply make sure that it is marked and then go back. So actually that's all. This is how to change the ringtone in your ASUS ZenFone 8. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.